I'm going to show you guys my updated guasha routine to lift and brighten my complexion. Before anything, make sure you have plenty of serum or moisturizer or anything that is going to help give you the glide because you never want to tug on dry skin. And then I'm going to start by massaging, taking deep breaths, and opening up some of the lymph nodes. I'm going to start by massaging these lymph nodes right here by our collarbone. Do this about 10 times. And then I'm also going to move behind my neck right around here and also massage in circular motions for about 10 times. Grab a guasha, and I always like to do a combination of acupressure and gliding motions with the guasha, and this tool is perfect for that. So I like to start right here and then kind of go in like clockwise or counterclockwise direction. And I start with my brow bone right here, and then with this little knob right here is really great to give you the acupressure to release that tension. After moving this around like 3 to 5 times, and then I'm going to move up. Do this, move up. And you're going to go in the same direction, brow bone up, you get the point. So with each motion, you want to repeat this 3 to 5 times across your forehead. I'm only going to do one side of my face today, but you get the gist. If your skin turns red like this, that is completely fine. I'm going to move down to my eye area now, and these are really good points to target dark circles to improve your blood circulation around your eyes. So I'm going to do the acupressure once again, and then glide. Acupressure, glide. You can also use this side to target your laugh line right here and your eyes at the same time to glide in this motion. Make sure you have some kind of eye cream or just regular cream when you do this motion. This targets 2 points at the same time. If you don't have a tool that does 2 at the same time, you can just use one, go this, one, go like this. So this is going to be the second motion. This is really good for sinuses, moving in outwards motion. Move down to this point right next to your mouth, and you're going to move it in outwards motions, once again like this. Then you go down to your jaw. This is my favorite part to use for my jawline. Go up, up, repeat this about 5 to 10 times. After that, what I like to do is go here, go behind your ear, do a little wiggle, wiggle, and then move it down to your neckline. Go up, wiggle, wiggle, move that onto your neckline. And if you want to go further, you can go down to your shoulders too. Now that was more of the targeted version of using the acupressure points, but if you want something that is wider, for example, this edge is great because it targets exactly up your brow bone and then your forehead. You can also go in sideways motions like this. I love doing both horizontal and vertical motions with this. This side is the big curve that fits perfectly for your face from your eyes down to your jaw. So this gives a wider kind of curvature to lift in motions. Also great for your neck to glide down anywhere in your body. I'm telling you, this tool is made to use all over your body, but I'm just focusing on the face today. Follow for more guasha tips and how I use this for my entire face and body.